Hello everyone. In today's class, we will discuss the land use. In previous class, we discussed about the intro of the second chapter. In that, land, soil, water, natural vegetation, and wildlife. In that, we discussed about the land. What is land? What are the forms of lands? Main forms of the lands, characters, and how they affect the population. Are they favorable or unfavorable? So in the next, today we will discuss the land use. What are the uses and how it is useful to us, the land. So it is the most important natural resource first thing, and we can use land for various purpose like agricultural, such as agriculture, constructing factories, house, making roads, airports, and laying railway tracks, mining, and setting up industries So we can use land for various purpose, in that agriculture, constructing factories, houses, making roads, airports, laying railway tracks, mining, and setting up industries. These are the purpose where we can use land. So we can say that is the land use. And behind the using of that land, there are many factors that determine, such as climate, soil types, topography, availability of minerals, waters. These are the factors that determine the using of that land. So we can say there are many factors. There are many factors that determine that determines the use of land, that determine the use of land. In that, factors such as climate, soil types, topography, availability of minerals, and water. These are the natural factors that determine the use of land. These are the natural factors. These are the natural factors. Beside the natural factors, there are some human factors. Human factors are also there, such as, beside the natural factors, these are the natural factors. For example, climate, soil types, topography, availability of minerals and waters. So these are the natural. Now there are, beside that natural factor, there are some human factors also present there. In that, government policies, technological development, etc. These are the human factors that also affect or determine the use of land. So in that, we can say, on the basis of these are the land use. Now, types of land, or we can say, on the basis of owner, on the basis of ownership, land on the basis of ownership, two types. We can divide land into two types. First one, private land, and second, community land. On the basis of ownership, we can divide land into two types: private land and community land. Private land and community land. In the private land means, for example, your plot, you are making house. Our houses, we can put it, for example, our houses. We built our house on our land. We cannot build our house in other person land. So that is the private land. We can use for our self. And community land, for all community, not personal use. So that is the type of land is called community land. In that, for example, we can take in the community land, parks, clubs, hospitals, government hospitals, schools, government schools. So these are the example of community land use. Or we can call it common property. We can call it common property. So this is the land use. Note it down all points in your notebook.